Considering all that is happening in the country, I'm sure that the last week has been tough on all of us. In times like this, it is even more important to raise our voices and demand change from our policymakers. While the news media is filled with stories that can make you feel low, we are here to send you some positivity. So here's your weekly dose of positive, wholesome, non-negative, not-for-profit, legitimate headlines. Well, you get the point. Menstruation has been a big taboo not just in India but all over the world. However, color company Pantone decided to do something in its own little way. The company launched a new shade of red called Period in an attempt to destigmatize menstruation and also encourage period positivity. At a point where there are still some misconceptions and taboo related to period blood, it is great to see a company going out of its way to bring about change and stimulate positive conversations. Disposal of plastic is one of the biggest problems our planet is facing today. In an effort to counter that, scientists have created a super enzyme that can break down plastic 6 times faster. Not only does this enzyme work faster, but it also has the capability of working on a larger scale and is also much more affordable. This enzyme basically breaks down the plastic into its original components so that it breaks down faster and much more easily. For example, the enzyme can break down one water bottle in about a month, whereas naturally it would take hundreds of years for it to break down. Mumbai's RA is a gift that keeps on giving. Over the last few weeks, we have shared with you how the city's green lung is being preserved and expanded, and now we're back with another news about RA. In 2019, a lot of the people who were protesting against the trees falling were taken into police custody. However, the state cabinet has now put out a formal request to remove all the criminal charges against the activists who were protesting that day. With cases being withdrawn and RA expanding more and more, it is surely a good time for all the environmentalists out there. We all know that flights aren't the best thing for the environment, so much so that the activist Greta Thunberg does not even take flights unless it's an emergency. However, there's a piece of good news that will surely increase the sustainability of the aviation industry. A company called Zero Avia recently completed its first hydrogen-fueled cell-powered flight of commercial-grade aircraft. The great thing is that we're surely closer to no-emission aviation, and that's something to be really proud about. As a big step that will definitely reduce the instances of animal cruelty, France has said that it will slowly and gradually ban the use of wild animals in traveling circuses as a measure of animal welfare. This means that tiger, lions, bears and elephants, along with other wild animals, will not be allowed in traveling circuses under the ban. The Ecology Department has also kept a ban on farming minks fur and keeping dolphins and orcas in captivity in marine parks. Well, that's it for this week, folks. If you know of any other positive headlines that you think we've missed out on, please put them in the comment section below. Also, do share this with as many people as possible because everybody could use a little positivity right now. I know it's called unlock, but try and not venture out as much as possible, and watch out for another episode of Good News with Binge Daily every Monday. Ashna out.
Thanks for watching Binge Daily. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.